Hi there, students. Expletive. An expletive, a noun. You could also use it as an adjective, but I think mostly as a noun. An expletive is a swear word. Yeah? Is when somebody swears that dog peed on the carpet again. That bloody dog peed on the carpet again. I'm sure you've got many better expletives that you could add to that sentence. So an expletive, it's a word that people think is offensive. Yeah, he stubbed his toe on a table leg and he let out a string of expletives. Yeah, he started swearing. Yeah, so expletives, rude, offensive words. Oh, and that's where the expletive comes out. Yeah, I think many students like to learn the expletives when they start learning a language. They're certainly the easiest to learn, and very often they're a very good way to get into learning a language, because like that you've got something that you can say. Okay, so an expletive, yeah, a swear word, a cuss word, as the Americans would say, a curse word. That very definitely American. A dirty word, an imprecation, a four-letter word. Yeah. Okay, so vulgar language, swear words, profanity, and that's the idea. There's a really nice phrase as well. Expletive deleted. Yeah, the two rhyme. And this, it's like a phrase that you can use to say any profanity you want. So, for example, that expletive deleted boss of mine made me work on Saturday again. Yeah, so it's a humorous way of swearing, but without actually using any expletives. So expletive deletive, you say, it's like you've said the word and then you crossed it out. Yeah. So yeah, that expletive deleted dog has destroyed my favourite chair. Okay, so expletive, an expletive, a swear word. So I also said you can use this as an adjective. You could use it, for example, his expletive language was something that always upsets my mother. But an expletive in linguistics has a different meaning as well. It's a word that doesn't have any specific meaning, but you need to put it in a sentence, particularly the words like it and there. So, it is raining. That it doesn't really have any meaning, and that is an example of an expletive linguistically. More often, the word expletive is used when a poet is trying to make something rhyme, and the meter of the rhyme requires an extra syllable. So what do I put in there? What do I put in there? Yeah, and that's the most common linguistic use of this word expletive. Yeah, it's something that you insert into a sentence or into a line of poetry to get the meter right, to get it to rhyme. Okay, but that's quite unusual. I think expletive, a swear word, an oath, a profanity, something obscene. Yeah, his mouth is full of expletives. That boss of mine. Yeah, the government, expletive deleted. Yeah, if I start using them, I'm going to get censored by YouTube for using expletives. Yeah, okay, so an expletive, a swear word. This is a reasonably formal word. I would just use the phrase a swear word. Yeah. The Americans use a cuss word or a curse, but a swear word definitely. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin expletus. yeah, from the verb expleo, to fill out. Ex, out of, or completely, and pleo, to fill. So it's got, the origin has got this idea of a word that fills. And very often, actually, expletives, swear words, they fill a space, that they're just an intensifier or something like that, but they don't have any real meaning. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, your mouth can be full of expletives deleted. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Expletive.